In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Amazon Photos by people, places, or things using its image recognition features. Start by opening Amazon Photos on the web in your browser. Once your gallery loads, we'll make sure the service is set up to recognize what's in your pictures, so searches actually return meaningful results. If you're using the Amazon Photos app on your phone or tablet, open Settings and find Image Recognition. In there, confirm that Tag Photos and Tag Specific People are turned on. These options tell Amazon Photos to scan your library and automatically apply smart tags for faces, locations, actions, and common objects. If your library is large, the first pass can take a while, so don't worry if you don't see everything right away. On some devices or accounts, you may also need to log out and back in, or update the app to enable the latest recognition features and kick off tagging in the background. With recognition on, head to the search bar at the top of Amazon Photos. You can type the name of a person, a place, an action, or an object. For people, enter a name you commonly use for that person. For places, try a destination or scene, like a city, a landmark, or a simple term such as beach or home. For things, use everyday words such as car, flowers, or food. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Selecting one is a quick way to jump to the relevant photos. If you get too many results, add another word to narrow it down, like combining a place with an object or an action. Depending on your version of Amazon Photos, you might also see category shortcuts that make browsing even easier. Look for people, places, or things in the sidebar or just under the search area. Clicking people shows clusters of photos grouped by individual faces. Places organizes shots by location or scene, and things gathers images by recognizable objects and activities. Choose a category to explore, then select a group to view everything that matches. If your results seem incomplete, give the system more time to finish tagging, especially after enabling the settings or updating the app. Logging out and back in can also help if categories or suggestions aren't showing up yet. And that's the process. Open Amazon Photos on the web, make sure image recognition is enabled in the app, use the search bar with simple, descriptive terms, and, when available, browse by people, places, or things to find exactly what you need fast.